On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a wonderful hump day. Getting humped by Bitcoin. Bitcoin's humping. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're doing well. Trader Geo in the chat. What's going on, brother? How you been, man? I owe you a phone call. I reached out to you, but I told you I'd call you this week, so maybe I'll give you a ring today if you're free, man. How you doing? God bless you, man. Hopefully you and the family are doing well, man. Good to see you. Oh, man. It's too early in the morning. Bro, it's 6 a.m. here. It's 6 a.m. I'm 2 hours earlier than you, man. You have food poisoning. Oh, God. He's pooping. This price action is absolutely grim. Is it grim? Trader Geo's stomach is absolutely grim. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good to see you guys. Jesse, French Toaster, Yarbuk, Mihai, what's going on? Zadi. Good morning. Bitcoin getting rejected from our sell wall. Very clear. No liquidity sweep, which was interesting, but here we are. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Offshore Miner, good to see you. Bruno, not Mike. What's with the names, man? I don't get what YouTube's doing with these names. Tomas, Offshore, Andy, Daniel, STL, good to see you, man. Alan, good morning. Alexander G in the chat. What's going on, Alex? Hopefully you're doing well. Why Crypto, Isaac, Curtis Hill, Blue Collar Trader, Jesse, good luck, Ben. Alex, get your coffee in. Come on in. That's the one, man. We got coffee. We're half a cup right now. It's good today. Yeah, the coffee is really good today. What's going on, DG? Bearded Mac, Mike, Curtis Hill, Danny, Dammy, Massey, Mark Gustafson. Good morning. Good to see you. Async, Philly Skills. He's in Guyana. Wagwan. Let's go. Hey. He's having lots of fun on his vacation there. What's there to do in Guyana? There's got to be some things to do. Do they do like I've always wanted to do like that, like a safari thing, but I mean that's like the whitest thing possible. It's like, white people just want to go and hang out with lions. And so it's just like white people like going camping, right? It's like white people, you get lots of money, and what do you want to do? You want to go out into the bush with sleeping bags and like barely a fire and sleep on the floor. And like this, I think it's kind of stupid sometimes. Let's go out in nature. Spend money and go out there. This is a plan. This is a vacation. Let's go out and it's kind of interesting. I always thought that's kind of like really stupid. It's counterintuitive, You ever think about that? Like, it's mostly white people, anyways. Oh man, crypto junk. We've already started, man. It's already off to a bad start. Like, why don't you go to a hotel, room service, But no, let's go out. Let's go out into the forest where bears can get us. I mean, I love camping. Still holding the short on Solana. I wish, man. Last night we shorted Solana up top here. Somewhere up here. We longed it too during our Asia stream last night. That was a good little stream last night. I enjoyed that. Made like $400. Took like 5 trades on the Asia stream. Quick scalps. That was good fun. Cal, good morning. Dan Ofertu, Carlo, French Toaster, Andrew Cameron, Harp, Infinite Team, what's going on? Welsh Jesse, D Crypto, Stevens or Stefan? Or is it Stefan? Dallas, Simeon. Henderson, what's going on? Chantel, good to see you. Thank you for being here, everybody. John, good morning. Hugh Hector, good morning. Good morning. Piggy Llama, good morning. Henderson, Vic, good morning. Dusty. Almost a month with you. Thanks for the journey so far and your endless support and trade inspirations. Awesome, man. Thank you for being here, Pilot. Glad to have you. Muckin, good afternoon. Good to see you. How you doing? French Toaster, Chad, Keith. I go fishing and do all the outdoor stuff in the jungle. Let's go. Good morning, John K. Camping is the best. It is good. Yeah, I like camping. Camping is good fun. Fishing, camping, hunting. What's going on? Colin, Ryan Smith, good morning. How you doing? French Toaster, Jackson Crawford, good morning. Philly Skills. You're hitting trades in the jungle with the monkeys. I got a monkey over here who presses the buttons for me. There was a guy who once came in here and he's like, who's taking the trades for you? There's got to be someone beside you. No, there's a monkey, man. There's a monkey. Laurent, good morning. Turtle Trader. French Toaster, my man. Good morning. V Monitor, good to see you, bro. How you doing? Good to see you, man. If you are new here, welcome. We always say good morning here. Yeah, we do have news today. We have retail sales and what the hell else? I don't know. Whatever Fugazi makeup. We got so we got all this shit. Durable goods. Initial jobless claim is going to be the one that's mostly affecting the market. 8:30 or 6:30, 5:30. Yeah, we'll see. Good morning, Patel. Mob the Great. Good to see you, Django. I wish I had a monkey who'd take better trades than me. Come on, Django. You're so hard on yourself, man. Be kind to yourself. Good to see you, Dina. Jonit, Freedom, Sylvian. Good morning, Paul. And the monkey. The monkey's well fed, man. Got peanuts and all that stuff. Yeah, the monkey's in the Discord. His name's JR. Carlos. Oh, poor JR. I'm always picking on JR. Did you see JR's Oilers last night, guys? Did you guys see the Oilers? Did you guys see that game last night? 8-3? They might as well have pulled the goalie. Anybody watching hockey? Oilers, Oilers, they might as well have played 6-on-5. Skinner has Down syndrome. I saw this morning in the news, they asked McDavid what happened. He's like, I don't know. I don't know, man. Too funny. I like this one this morning, everybody. This was good here. You guys see the I lived in Sydney, so I lived in Sydney in the Opera House. I've worked on this actually. I worked on the stones in the front steps here. We had to do some underlay waterproofing here, but I worked on this building. Pretty cool. When I lived in Australia. This was fucking good. I thought this was good, man. It was really good, man. Oh, man, too good. What do you... Okay, be nice to JR. We love JR, okay? Bernie, good morning. Vicar, good morning. Jesse, Gear, Carlos, Isaac, good morning, good morning. French Toaster. Crypto Dog. Wick's wife, good to see you, wifey. You always here early. Shout out to wifey. She has her own emoji if you didn't know. Good morning, Traveling Studios. Thank you for being here. I bought me and my son Avalanche and Flames tickets for Xmas. Nice, man. I'm going to the game in February, to the Leafs game. I'm on the glass if you want to meet me there, Gear. You can come and see me at the Saddle Dome, bro. All right. So what do we have here? We're coming into news here. We got about 17 minutes. Bitcoin's been moving sideways and sporadic. I mean, we have not a hell of a lot to deal with. Sell wall working well. Buy level not really apparent. So when looking at this, where are we looking to go? What happens is, in my opinion, you get price action here. So when price action starts trending, okay, this is good. When price action starts trending and then stalls out and goes sideways, what does it do? It starts to create rounding, okay? When you start to round, okay, this is how our favorite patterns are formed. Cup and handles, Adam and Eve's, which aren't my favorite pattern. Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve, though. Okay, is you get rounding, which returns typically back to where it started. Okay, so we can start to see what are we doing here, guys. So we had nice bullish momentum on the way up here. Now we're rounding. There's a head and shoulders in here. Probably every person who doesn't trade is like, okay, we got a head and shoulders here, guys, and we're looking to break down. And that's cool. I mean, it may work. You have trend on your side. Okay. You got your little peaks here, your little peaks and valleys, so it's there. It's there, so we shouldn't dismiss it. For me, it's more, I like liquidity. So I like to understand that, hey, man, we moved out of here pretty quickly. This would be my target for us to return to if we are to dump and then pump. I do not believe this low is safe. Typically, when you're bottoming out, you'll give, some false hope, and then you'll hurt everybody. You're trapping leverage in here. As you can see, price has really gotten nowhere in the last, couple of days. So buy low, sell high has been the ticket. The only issue is that you're overextended in a long-term downtrend, right? So when you're buying low, you're always at risk of this thing rolling over. Okay. Which as a scalper, I mean, if this then that, like obviously we're managing risk pretty tight. So even if it rolls over, we're still fine. But we'll look to treat this as a range until proven otherwise. And go from there. Okay, my concern is this area right here. You can see how choppy it was down in here, and choppy, and then it just like poofed. That poofed that we haven't come back for remains an area of interest for me to come back and grab some liquidity. Okay, if this then that. This looks oddly similar to this, guys. Just saying. This looks oddly similar to this. That's all I gotta say. Hate to be the bearer of bad news. This would suggest we have one more down, right? If we are Elliott waivers, whatever they are, this would be our final wave, right? If we are looking at this as an Elliott wave theorist, we would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Where we go? Where we go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's how they would count it, but who knows? They can count however they want. That's why it's a theory. We're prepared for it. Okay, what's good is we see that the NASDAQ is coming up to retest these highs here. Macro market structure change here. We had a very big sweep retest to previous highs here on NASDAQ and a breakout retest and continuation here. Guess what we should be expecting? Okay. So nice push out for NASDAQ, which is bullish, looking strong. SPY, same deal here. We look at the SPY. Zoom out a little bit here for you guys. Look, AlexOCrypto zooming out. Who would have thought, man? We have a nice uptrend here. Big gap down below, but nice uptrend here coming up for the high here. So a nice recovery coming back into the top of the range. When we're at the top of a range, we should be looking for shorts. Generally. However, nice recovery for the beautiful, beautiful SPY here. Bitcoin sweeping down, trying to push right now. Zooming in a little bit here, guys. So we'll see how this price action behaves today. It's probably going to misbehave, but whatever. Just remember, it's very sporadic and all over the place. We've chopped, right? Look at the chop we've dealt with all yesterday and today. So let's be prepared. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Just going to wait here. We got about 10 minutes till news. Bullish divergence in here, I would assume. Yeah, we got bull divs clipping. We'd look to come back at least halfway up this candle here. A little bit higher. See if we could possibly continue this downtrend here. Obviously a structure break here. So this should have been your short. We were looking at our key level yesterday. My son just fell. He's okay. Aw. Little man. I think he slipped. He's okay. If they scream, they're fine. Army Piper, what's the consensus on the data today, buddy? What is your prediction? Are we going to get good retail sales or what? I don't know. What is coming out? We got initial jobless claims. It's going to be good or bad. Igloos are slippery. Yeah, we're trying to teach him on the skates right now, and he's 201 people have to like the stream. That would be generous. I would appreciate that. Alex, thank you for your time. Thank you for being here, Curtis Hill, man. God bless you, bro. Mr. Johnson, good to see you. Mabs are great. Utterly amazing. John Foster Crypto, good morning. Thank you so much for the 5. John Foster, Ryan, Shumi, LJ, Mob the Great. Look at all these people. They're not lurkers. All 5 of them, not lurkers. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Otter's in the chat for the gang, man. Awesome. Awesome. Chelsea, Bebe, Andrew Cameron. Let's go. JRMO, Jackson, Syntax. I'm a lurker. You're a lurker. I am definitely a lurker. Army Piper in the chat. So we got 300 people in here ready to bring in some news, guys. That's awesome, man. Thank you for being here. Hitting the like button. We got 101 likes. That's pretty cool, man. Offshore Miner, 8 Breath, Django, Jesse, Mr. Young, Nick, K-Pack, good to see you. I think it's slightly above the previous week. Gotta love the rising mortgage rate. Fed cut rates. Loans rates go up. That's interesting. Steve Hickey, good to see you. K-Pack says I could be a lurker, but I'm not gay. I like the stream. Yeah, if you don't like the stream, you're gay. Alex, are you sick? You sound down, bro. I'm good, man. I'm really good. Very, very overworked lately. That's all. Got a lot of tickets to deal with right now. I'm not going to complain. I'm going to stop myself from complaining. I'm moving people over to the website. And some people take longer than others. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to say, man. Trying to just getting through it, man. Thank you, Nick. We're talking 90s gay, though. We're not talking like gay. If you're gay, we love you anyways, man. That's cool. I'm gay, and calling someone gay to insult them isn't the insult you imagine. Yeah, we're like 90s gay. We're just like, don't be gay like stupid or lame, right? I mean, I'll explain this again. Our 2 best friends, our family friends, they're coming to visit us in January. Our 2 bestest friends, I would trust my child with these people, are gay. Nothing wrong with gay people. I love gay people. But if you don't like the stream, you're gay. 90s gay, okay? We can go. We. I don't have to justify it, but I can explain it to you. Okay. Retard is also okay in here. It's retarded. Okay. So I mean, put your feelings aside. Eat some dirt. Throw some rocks. Say good morning. And behave yourself, because Crypto Billy's here now. See, Crypto Billy is not gay. He hit the like button. I got Crypto Billy to say douche canoe last night. My life is complete. I got. Thanks, Billy, for saying douche canoe. I do like. I am a window licker. Yeah. My son loves licking windows. I'm worried. Not even gonna lie. You should see my PC. I'll take a picture of my PC glass. And honestly, I haven't cleaned it because I feel like it's good luck that my son's window licking my PC. Eat dirt. Doorbell lickers. That's kind of cringe, man. Don't eat the yellow snow. That's the first thing I'm trying to teach my son. We haven't encountered yellow snow on our walks. He doesn't like walking in snow. It's actually quite funny. A rusty spoon. I can see the Karens running. I mean, using the word gay and retard in my stream actually like gets rid of the people that I would like to hang out with. Because like the whole point of this stream, and it always has been, was to learn faster, which I feel like I've done a lot, and then to trade with people, because trading is lonely, right? It's a lonely thing, and I don't want to hang out with like weird lurker people who don't say good morning on their wanking chariot, who are here to copy trade. I mean, do whatever you want. It's not financial advice, but just don't be gay and retarded, man. It is like a lemon snow cone there, French toaster. Snow sucks to walk in. He is smart. I would say that sand is worse to walk in, man. Have you ever ran in sand? I mean, you can't run in snow, but that's like to be. It's kind of like, ooh, Andrew Cameron, you crossed the line, man. I'm gonna give you timeout. Andrew Cameron. I love you, bro, but. Morning, gays. Alex, remember we write our names in cursive in the snow. Absolutely. So, like my name, when I pee, this was my favorite drinking trick, guys, because my name is so easy to write. So as a male, you can control your stream, but for me, it's 3 loops and an X, right? So for me, I would pee. News is coming, and you do 3 loops and an X. Here comes the news. Anyways, we'll talk about the P style here in a second. Initial jobless claims coming in. Just under consensus. Durable goods. Coming above consensus. Sorry, guys. Flashbang. Where's my chart? Hello. Nothing's loading. 0.6. Bitcoin, not really reacting. I'm watching it on my other screen here. The data's not here, guys. That's way too bright in the morning. Rolling over a little bit here. Flashbang. Does it not want to populate here or what? What's going on? Hello? We'll see. A little roll over here. Back to talking about peeing in the snow. I mean, my name was easy. You do 3 loops. Woof. 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 And then you got to cross the X. Doof. That's the easiest name to write in the snow. It's the best party trick in the world. If you know, you know. LJ can run on water. Too far. I copy trade Army Piper. Me too. Durable. That's why it takes so long. I love it. I love it. Nothing burger. Exactly, Paul. You got it, man. Jay Violet, good to see you. Where's the drop? Non-existence. Did you kick him? You fat fingered him? Did you put him in a timeout? What do I have to do? What did you do to Ryan? Rate cut's not opening for you either. Don't pick on Ryan. Ryan's Steve Ruglin, man. I'm kidding, Ryan. He won the Steve Ruglin competition, by the way. Just says lower, guys. Doesn't look too good here. NASDAQ, no big reaction here. It's another bear flag. Continuation down. What's the target on the head and shoulders? I mean, if you're trading the head and shoulders, you take your neckline, which would be here. There's your neckline. You would take your measured moves from here to here. And you would drag this into here, and you would look to come back down to the liquidity of the lows in here. That would be your target. I don't trade like that. I don't think it's very knowledgeable. I think there's better ways to get to that idea. That's my opinion. But you can do what you want. Below VWAP, standard deviation 1, chopping quite slow right now this morning, guys. Not giving us a heck of a lot even after that news data. Interesting. Anybody have any big plans for Thanksgiving or what? This one always gets me. I never know. I think we'll go strawberry. And then this one always gets me. You mean to tell me you don't trade flag breakouts in trend lines? No, not at all. Never. I think if you want to draw flags in, it's totally up to you, man. Blueberries antioxidants, very good for you. Banana, potassium. My monkey loves bananas. What's going on, Rudy? Good to see you. Steve, Hickey, Dusty. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for liking up the show today. We're almost at 130 likes. That's cool, man. 400 people hanging out here. Good morning, everybody. Still waiting for a trade here. Not in love with the price action this morning, I tell you that much. Hang out with the family for Thanksgiving. Nice. I mean, Canada, we've already had our Thanksgiving, which was good. We had my wife's mother here, and we did a turkey and stuffing and roasted potatoes. Oh man. The one thing we didn't do is cranberry sauce, which is not like us, but it was still great. Bringing in some gratitude is the best attitude. A little push here for Biddy. Trying to go. Best morning. Thanks, Alex, for showing exact, robust style of trading that brings forth some good news trades that I did not take before. Luck comes with good risk management. That's the one lucky deal. Good to see you, bro. Nick, Danny, good morning. Smoking a turkey. You must have like a massive smoker. How to recognize liquidity. Very simple. Think about where are people putting their stop losses. If I'm in a short right now, where's the stop loss? It's above this high, right? So price naturally, we're buyers and sellers, right? If someone's short in here, their stop loss is typically above here. Therefore, liquidity is being above here. If I'm long in here, my stop loss is typically below here. Okay, so you have liquidity at the highs and liquidity at the lows. Some people, their stop loss is below here. Right, so it's price action will tell you where the liquidity is. When you have an area like this, right here, okay, and this creates fair value gaps on a higher term time frame. You don't see it here because it's a shorter term time frame. But if I go on a 15-minute time frame here, you'll have all this. You have all the gaps in here. You can see how that just moves straight down, right? You must be able to see as best as you can the higher term time frames on the shorter term time frames, right? Therefore giving you structure, right? Low, high, right? Low. This is irrelevant. This is irrelevant. Low. Okay? So my structure looks like this on a higher term time frame. It does not look like this. Nice push here for Biddy. Liquidity, 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 imbalance, liquidity. Who turned Bitcoin on, man? Someone touched him inappropriately or something like that? Look at this, man. Bitcoin to the moon. Just in. Donald Trump. Cheetos went on sale for Donald Trump. Now he's always orange. I mean, that's a pretty good hack for him. He could eat Cheetos and not like show the Cheeto stuff on his face, you know? What's going on, Pat? Good to see you. Maybe a Band-Aid? They're not the real banana, the ones we have today. This is true. Go to Southeast Asia and have a banana. They're very small and different. I'll be alone, so I'm going to go buy 100 turkey legs and smoke them. Nice. Hand them out to less fortunate people. God bless you, man. That's beautiful. Love a good stuffing, yeah. Bullish momentum here. Bitcoin don't want to stop coming into VWAP here. Possible rejection. Blueberries for the win so far. I love blueberries. Blueberry pancakes, man. Ooh, buddy. Just had a spider on my pillow. There you go. Well, you're from Australia there, J Violet. Stronger than expected. The core X transport piece is moderately strong, not weak. Labor market is softening, generally not breaking. Okay. Anybody's CME loading? Oh, there we go. 82.3% chance of a rate cut coming in December 10th, guys. Pump and dump. Coming back, retesting these areas in here. Solana retest a previous high, continuation trade. I don't know if I like it. I don't like it. Probably gonna work now, but I don't like it. 8:45. A little bit early to be jumping into a No, it's kind of forced. I feel like it's forced. I'm not going to take it. I'm going to wait here. Vegas Call, good morning. Gear, J Violet, Paul Caruso. I thought you ate penguins in Canada? No. Penguins are too tough. And cute. We do eat lots of bison, moose. Sitting up and showing up. Just drove 18 hours in one push to my parents' house in Southern Carolina. Brutal, but worth it for the plate of turkey. That's it. Golden Child, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nice drive. I did 37.5 hours to move to where we did here in 2.5 days, and it was exhausting. So I feel you. It's your birthday. Congratulations. Happy birthday, Nijal Pope. Well, it looks scammy to me though, man. So I'm gonna have to ask you to check back with us there, buddy. Happy birthday. I didn't long, might as well shut down for the day. There wasn't really anything here to justify getting long. Liquidity is above us. Smoke fried turkey. That's wild, man. Sounds delicious. How do you use fair value gaps then as targets? So fair value gap. I don't trade a fair value gap. Whenever you have a gap, it will be a target for me to look for price to move into. I don't trade based off it. I haven't found very much success in back testing fair value gaps. So you can see here, this would have been a target for this to move into here. Same with the fair value gaps in here. This would be a target for price to move into here. It's typical imbalance, right? So if price action is moving nice and constructively and then you get a big push down, and you typically look to come back and recover this area in here and then possibly continue down. But I don't trade out of it. I target into it. This would be a target. I target long into that gap. And that's typically how I use them. I won't trade based on them though. I'm going to be pissed off I never took Solana long. I like to see lower on Solana though. NASDAQ very choppy. This looks toppy to me. Yeah. That's concerning. Breakout retest continuation here. Trying to get above this high. Looks like I might do it. Not for me though. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. MexC crypto. New PFP. Look at you. You're all grown up now, Randy. You're all grown up. Watch out, guys. Randy Hippie. Coming for your Bitcoin. God bless you, Randy. Enjoy. Have a safe flight to Dubai. I've done a lot of long flights. Make sure you get up and walk in the plane and have a safe flight. God bless you. Decent crypto. Good morning. MexC crypto. Archie. Good morning. Ban Geo. Why is Geo here? Geo's family. That's why. Sorry, Geo was right about being bearish. Sorry, Geo was right. And none of you guys can deny it now, can you? You sorry? Can you say, thanks, Geo, for warning us that we are overextended and Michael Saylor is gay? Right, Geo? Geo the whole way up, warning you, warning you, warning you, warning you, warning you, and guess what? So you can say thank you, Geo, for your lovely tree. For keeping us humbled. Good job, bro. Can you look at Caspa, please? What about ETH, bro? Let me take a look. Caspa, ETH. Long, long, long. Long, long. Skis for hands. Short on gold. J Violet's a gold trader lately. That's awesome. Pump the rebrand. Let's go. Thank you, Gio. We need to break the YouTube algo. You trying to hit 25K? Where are you at right now? You're 24.4. I think everybody here subscribed to you, Randy. But if you guys aren't subscribed to Randy Hipper, go and subscribe. Maybe a Band-Aid, LJ. Bro, we have an agreement, bro. What the fuck is this shit? I thought we weren't doing this. I thought we weren't doing this. I love you, man. Thank you for the 50. God bless you. Let's go to... All right, fine.
All right, everybody,
like
welcome
that?
back.
I'll play like that, eh? A super comment. Is there a super comment button here? I'm going to get you. Where's the super comments? Bro, I will. I'll pay for it. Don't make me join. I'll just pay for the Nexus, bro.
What's going on, everybody?
Where's the super chats? Super thanks. There it is. Bro, you want to mess around. You want Google to take 20%? Huh? I'm going to e-transfer your ass. Oh, man. Coming back and retesting here. Soylana coming down. Trapping longs up at the highs here. Failure to break high. Retest back in here. Thank you for the 50, Geo. 500 is crazy. I will fly to you. Thank you for the 50, Geo. I'm going to get you back, man. I'm going to get you, man. God bless you. Another leg down, probably digital. Good morning from Norwich, England. What's going on, Kevin? Good to see you, man. Send me some custard creams, please. I'm out. My wife's mother always brings me custard creams. They have to be the custard creams, though, from Testco, because they're 2 Dunkables. My mother-in-law's friend brought me over custard creams from England. And my wife's British, by the way. And they were from Lidl. Oh, my God. It's got to be the worst biscuits I've ever had in my life. The worst biscuits. Lidl is like Wish.com in the UK. It's like Wish.com biscuits. Thank you, Gio, man, for the 50. Jeanette, Jesse. Do you think Monad could threaten? I don't know, Monad. Aw, Miss Teen Crypto got a gift from Gio. Look at that. Kindness. Noob Gecko. Good morning, Bad Baptist. Dylan. Awesome. Mikey. King. J Violet. Simeon. Doggy Dog. Spicy Sushi. Let's go. KGD. Chris Reeds. Look at all these people who actually say good morning. Lucky Deal. Lurker. Dave Collins. Considering a long here on Solana. Let's take a stab here on Solana. I think quick a little bit lower. Still waiting. It's got to go. No follow through. Still waiting. I'm long. I'd just like to push up to the highs here. Poor follow through for Solana. Doesn't want to go. There we go. It's going to be a dick for a tick. Quick scalp. So gay. All right. I'm out. Quick $150, $200. Happy days. Quick scalp, start the day. Nothing better than paying for your breakfast. GG's in the chat. This isn't for you, it's for your followers. Thank you, man. God bless you, Gio. See if it continues here. The retest wasn't my favorite. I like the bullish momentum here on Bitcoin coming to take this high. Hasn't taken the liquidity yet, so I saw a follow through here. Quick follow through up into the high here for a slap and possible down. Just a quick scalp though. Rudy, Jesse, good morning. Thank you for the 50 Geo lurkers in the chat. I need coffee, guys. Nice trade, Alex, in the money already. Thanks, man. Trade intuition here. Good morning, guys. Good close. Good close. Good trade. Good close. Good trade. Happy days. Coming back in here. Retest. Yeah. Good close. Good trade. Good discipline. Quick trade in and out like a good Boy Scout. Base hits, baby. Base hits sometimes lead the way here. Just buying the upwards momentum. Now it's rolling over. Rolling over. A little patience here now. Okay. I'm from India. Guys, this guy's from India. Welcome. AJ Kumar. Can we make money today? Yeah, bro. Shout out to the Nexus, yeah. Hey, what's going on, Brew? Good to see you, man. One of our traders in the Discord. Smartest money concepts. Good to see you, bro. Take care, Take care, Randy. Drop your new emojis, guys. Says Geo. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Come on. Who doesn't like saying gang, gang, gang? Got everybody coming through. Geo blessing the stream. Trade intuition coming through. Hopefully you're doing well. French toaster. What's your favorite coffee blend? I like a dark roast. Right now I'm drinking Verona, Starbucks Verona. It's kind of like my go-to cheap coffee. I mean, it ain't cheap, but it ain't super expensive, but I need to get some coffee for sure. I wanted to try I don't know, it's a Verona dark roast. Verona dark roast. Anything got dark roast, fuller body, robust, bold flavors. Yeah, Verona. That's the one I drink 90% of the time. Try Kicking Horse. I don't like Kicking Horse that much, to be honest. I've had the cat poop coffee in Bali. Yeah, I've had the cat poop coffee. It's all right. It tastes like shit. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm gonna go get some coffee, man. You guys are all over me. Welcome, Dirty Joe. Gang, gang, man. I've had the cat poof coffee, man.
Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
My wife's cooler than your wife. My wife makes bread. Did you guys? Does your wife make bread? Yeah. It's what is it? My wife makes sourdough bread. She came in and corrected me. It tastes like shit, Basil. That's because it is shit, Austin.
You're horrible.
I love you.
It does taste like shit.
It's actually not bad. It's a little bit stodgy. She'll get better. She's really coming into her, like, she's coming into her, it's a bit naughty. Yeah, it's a wee bit naughty. Organic coffee and my mocha master. Black coffee without sugar. My first one was with cream and sugar, and then every coffee after that's typically black. Kona coffee. See, I've always wanted to try Kona coffee. That's from Hawaii. It's not cheap though. The cat poop coffee's not bad. I'd love to swap some notes with Amy sometime. Hey, bro. Careful farmer. I know you're a cook, man. I don't like a fruity coffee, though. Like, I don't... Fruity coffee is not for me. I like chocolate. Bold, strong. We got 20 minutes to market open here. A little bit of chop at the top, basically. Flagging down. Little scalp this morning for a quick $140. Okay. Balloon dog, triple bottom, rolling over, coming back for the gap. No real trade right now. Little scalp this morning. I wanted to see bullish momentum continuation. We clearly haven't seen that with Bitcoin here. Still looking to take this high, so we could be looking for an SFP dump today. Okay, thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. We got 470 people in here, 193 likes. We only need 7 more likes before I shut up. Yeah. You like coffee like you like your woman. Hot, black, and bold. And beautiful? I don't know. What's going on, JR? Magic Mike, good to see you. I'm always impressed how much mileage you get of talking pure shite. I mean, I worked construction for 14 years, 13. I would say 13 years, 2 years as a laborer. So we're going to go 15 years. We can talk shite all day, especially because I'm a bit Irish too. Don't worry. My wife can't stand how much shite I talk anyways. So I got to come here and talk with you guys. It's being able to fill the void between the trades. That's it. Here's the push that we were looking for. Push you, namby pamby. Come on. Weak sauce. Quite weak sauce. ES. ES looks strong here. My nose is super itchy today. Allergy pills. Gotta take one. Here's that push into view up, taking the liquidity of the high here for a slap, possible short. Bullish divergence, mitigation of the high. Here's our slap. Strength. No rejection yet. Soy Lana breaking out. Double top. Got a little order block in here too. Nice push. View up slap. Nope. Follow through. Follow through and strength, man. No rejection yet. Solid move here. Nasdaq rolling over. Solana still strong. Stalling out a little bit here. Trapping traders. It's not even moving. That's interesting. Three seconds. $15 minutes till market opens. Strong candle close above. Considering a short here. See how this behaves here. Needs to go lower. All right. Let's get short. Quick 100. Quick 100. Stop loss to entry. See if it rolls over. Probably not. Got bullish momentum. Just wanted to see if it would slap hard. Sometimes it slaps hard down. Don't be a dick for a tick. No real follow through this morning either direction. I think I'm maybe a little bit, my timing's a little bit late. Like obviously would have liked to catch the long in here as it pushed in. I'm gonna get stopped out here. Bullish continuation, which is fine. Stop me out. Come on. Hurry up. Really? Market makers not hungry this morning. Market makers not. Guys, you all see that? Look at this. Look at that. What a load of bollocks. Oh, man. That's funny. Hurry up and take it already, man. That's funny. That's literally a sea hair, as they say. Take a sea hair off that piece of wood. All right. Come on now. Thank you. Quick $100. GG's in the chat. I think I'm just early. Just like I was early here, like the long here would have played out nice. I bet you we hang out here and then we come down. We'll see. Pretty exhausted to the upside here on the 3 minute. Base hits this morning up a couple hundred. Thank you everybody for being on the live and hanging out. 469 people in here, 203 likes. You guys can like and subscribe and hang out. That would be great. There's a dump, of course. And join the Discord, guys. Join the Discord. We have the Black Friday sale on right now. There it is. Look, Alexandra G. She knows what's up. I got to copy this. Best Discord in all crypto. I mean, 8 traders. Kicking ass. Taking names. Use the code Black Friday. Live stream with me today at 12 o'clock. Lots of lessons, lots of people. Lots of good times, man. Good times. The family, man. The families. What's going on, RS Miller? Good to see you, man. How you been? B-Rad, good morning. Shep, good morning. Douglas, Doo-Doo, what's going on? NASDAQ looking to push here. This is nice. NASDAQ here is looking bullish. Could do one more here. Could do one more and then go. Coming into market open. A little bit overextended trapping longs though. Right? Trapping longs up into the resistance here. Volume. Yeah, it's just chop city here, guys. So good close on that trade. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next. Doji engulfing continuation through VWAP, looking strong. Golden pocket, 786 here. Order block, liquidity, overextended. Break of structure here, so we're looking for possible retracements in here. Today, we'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for being in here. You guys seriously picking blueberries today? Normally, mango wins this one. Watermelon's pretty good, too. Discord's lit AF. I agree with you there, JR. Discord is the shiznit. Just grateful for everyone in there. And a mango smoothie is like top notch. Depends on the context. I love raspberries. What's going on, Sulio? Good to see you. Discord is the way. I mean, I spoon-fed yesterday in the Discord. I mean, as best as I could. I gave the long setup here for Bitcoin. You see here? Bitcoin inverse head and shoulders, looking for the retest in here. Inverse head and shoulders. Broke in the trend line here, so you're looking for a retest continuation back in. Okay. The spoon came out. Here's the spoon. Here's the trade. Happy days, okay? Booty push, pay yourselves, and it almost hit our target. It literally missed by like a hair. It hit the red line. And then people put spoons in the chat. That was just me. There's more traders in there. Holy smokes. You guys don't stop in here. What do you guys want? Thank you, Sharon. Mango helps intensify your edibles. Doc. Fruit salad. Yeah, let's go. Mango smoothie. Mango bubble tea. Anybody? Mango bubble tea? Pretty bomb, man. What about apple crumble pie? Oh, man. We got to do it. We'll let Blueberry have this one today. You guys are going to be so rude with this. Best pie. And we're not talking about hair pie, okay? Okay? No, keep your hair pie to yourself, okay? I'm sorry, but I'm pumpkin pie for days, man. I love pumpkin pie. It's my go-to. I'll eat 3 of them in a row without a plate. Okay? And then we had to we need another one. What's another good pie? Strawberry rhubarb. Pecan. I don't know how to spell rhubarb. That's not how you spell rhubarb. How do you spell rhubarb? There's an H in there somewhere. Rhubarb. Banana cream. Thanks, guys. Rhubarb. English language is fucked, isn't it? I'm not a good speller. That's one thing I did not pass the spelling bees, guys. I spell well not. I gotta go with the pumpkin, guys. I'm a pumpkin pie. Apple crumbles bomb though, man. Apple crumble, custard, and vanilla ice cream. Oh my goodness gracious. Market's almost open. Shepherd's pie is good too. Tim the ladies man likes chocolate cream pie. You're nasty. Strawberry rhubarb is bomb though too. Coconut cream, blackberry pie with vanilla ice cream. It's always with the vanilla ice cream, right? There's nothing better than pastry and vanilla ice cream. Let's be real. Chop at the top, guys. This is where I would highly be cautious with longs. I would not be trying to long the top here. We're not trying to top blast today, guys. We got 1 minute till market opens here. Look at that. NASDAQ, good call on the NASDAQ breaking out here. Solana looks juicy. Solana coming to sweep this high here. What do we have? 8-minute block here. Yeah. Top block here then. Trying to push here. Inverse Adam and Eve. Here we go. So Ilana trying to push, overextended, lots of liquidity below. Same with Bitcoin, lots of liquidity below, trying to push. NASDAQ pushing, coming into market open. SPY opening up. Gapping up. Gap up, typically bearish to start. We'll see how it goes. Bitcoin, no bueno, trying to move. Bearish divergence in here. Trying to push out for the beautiful NASDAQ. Continuation trade here. Holding VWAP, trying to push through. Golden pocket 786 right now. Coming into order block, resistance, and retest of previous lows. So caution here. This is cautionary right here. See if it does push and slap. Holding VWAP, continuation. Thank you everybody for being here and like and subscribe and all that fun stuff, guys. Appreciate you. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Nice push for the SPY. Nice push for NASDAQ. Solana lagging a little bit, coming back, retesting, continuation out, trying to push out. Bitcoin ripping, coming into our golden pocket resistance level here. Nice push for Biddy. Uptrending bullish momentum here. Nice sweep and dump. Beautiful. There it is. Coming back in. Solana dumping. Similar story here on Solana. Coming back for late longs, right? Trapping longs all the way up. Patience here. Bearish divergence, market cipher. 12-minute trigger wave to the downside. Caution here, guys. Losing VWAP aggressively. Retest to previous highs. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out. Nice push. Push back. Can we get a pushback or no? Solana big dump. Bitcoin pushing back. I like the sweep on Solana. This looks good. If it can push. Get long on Solana here. Bitcoin still rolling over. Nasdaq big push. Considering a long on Solana. No trade yet. Still waiting. Bitcoin coming back. Order block here. Solana rolling over. Bitcoin dumping. Golden pocket rejection. No pushback here. Solana, no pushback here. Sweep of the lows. See if we can get bought up here. Still no trade. Nasdaq pump and dump. Sweep of the lows. Trying to push back here, Solana. If Bitcoin can hold the highs, we might go long on Solana here. Look for follow through. No follow through. Stalling out a little bit here. No push. No push. Nasdaq gonna go. Okay, possible push here. Gotta flip VWAP here. Nice push up. Considering a long on Solana here. Try to catch a bid here, Solana. I like the SFP on Solana. Bitcoin pushing. get long on Solana. Got to go here. It's got to go here. Push ya nambe pambe. NASDAQ, no follow through. Bitcoin, still struggling a bit. Trigger wave. Bitcoin pushing. Very choppy this morning, guys. No follow through on Solana here. Big dump on NASDAQ. Bitcoin trying to catch a bid. Push. I'll go stop loss to entry now. Up 150. Just been hovering here. See if we can push through here. GG's in the chat. I mean, it was too choppy here. We'll see if we want to rotate up. It's really depending on if Bitcoin wants to blast through here or not. NASDAQ bouncing. Solana trying to go here. I'd like to get up to VWAP here on Solana. Take these highs. We didn't take these highs. See if we can continue to push here. $400 realized. Beautiful push. Nice push for Solana. Still want to see it take the liquidity up top here. Let's not be a dick for a tick. Let's take it off. There it is, $500 Solana. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade, guys. GG's. Let's go, Biddy. Great job, everybody. Hopefully you all had fun with that one. I don't see enough GG's in the chat, man. This is you guys rude. Thank you for being on the live, taking trades, showing you the trades. Nice trade today, guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you got long on Soy Boy Lana. Let's go, baby. You take the liquidity of the lows here, you bounce back. NASDAQ holding its highs. Bitcoin top blasting, so you don't want to top blast Bitcoin. You want the pullback. Obviously, the pullback retest of previous highs in here, continuation out. You're right into VWAP, which is why we took Solana instead, because Solana here, we're not into VWAP. We're sweeping the lows, and we have a lot more, and we never took the high up here. So the liquidity is still the main target here to come and take, right? So it's a SFP continuation trade. You also had nice bullish on the, I believe it was the 12. Yeah, the 12. You have double bottom in here trying to push out. Clipping bull div, something we teach in the Discord here. Clipping bull div. Okay, I don't necessarily like giving out all the secrets. Pretty easy trade, guys. And this could go, I mean, this could easily come back up to the highs here. Not for me to decide. For me to participate safely, take my money and run. Good job, everybody. Good to see you, Brumbelow. How you been, man? Friday's a half day. Retest of VWAP. NASDAQ very choppy this morning. SPY, same. Be prepared for this to come down today, guys. That's what I would expect. Especially Bitcoin overextended. Solana overextended. Yeah. Never took the high here. Interesting, though. Might come back up quick for that. Might just do a little. Good trading today so far. Discipline's been on point. Patience. 3 trades today. Up 700. Happy days, man. Happy days. That's a good trading day for me. Choppy at the toppy, baby. Choppy at the toppy. Orb is in. Ray Orb is in, baby. Steve Ruglin at the Golden Pocket here. Solana looks like it needs to come here, guys. Still waiting here. Bitcoin trying to flip VWAP and hold. Chop at the WAP, guys. I never trade this, guys. When you're chopping right in VWAP, you don't touch it. You let it make a decision. It's not for us to, I mean, the trend is up now, so we would expect continuation up, but resistance, right? You're coming into resistance. You're overextended to the upside. It's not really a highly probable trade, in my opinion. NASDAQ trying to push up. Minus 18, man. My lips are chapped. Not my ass. Sorry for going all stream, man. That's my bad. That I'm sure that noise is very gay. Celsius, yes. Celsius, yeah, minus 18 Celsius, guys. How do you avoid getting fees, bro? I don't. I pay them. A break even for me is about $50. So I know $50 profit's about break even. Okay. Fees are part of the game, man. You got to account for fees. That's why whenever you enter a trade, you're putting on risks. Therefore, you're risking capital no matter what. Melissa, one love. Yeah, good to see you, Mel. How you doing? God bless you. You changed your PFP. I don't know if I like it or not. But I love you, so thank you for being here, Mel. Look at Solana go, baby. Anybody still in that Solana Lana along? Look at that, baby. Beautiful push. Slapping that VWAP. NASDAQ flat. Solana's been outperforming Bitcoin, so I've been taking a lot of Solana trades lately just because I think it's the ETF that's getting a lot of bids. It's been performing really well if you can handle the volatility. GG's on that Solana trade, my God. Where are we going? What's going on with this stuff? It's pushing. We gave you guys the long here. I don't know how many times I had to say Solana. This is never financial advice, but I did say Solana lana long. Solana lana long long li long long long. What happens if you pee outside? They call it shriveled ink and raisin balls, Bobby. Shriveled ink and raisin balls. It looks like a button on a fur coat. You gotta push really hard so the stream doesn't freeze on the way back in. That's the trick. Oh, man. You guys bring the best out of me, I tell you. The best. Solana doesn't care. It's going to Valhalla, guys. Here you go. See, this would have been like a $3,000 trade if I just held it, but I didn't. So I got to be okay with that, right? Beautiful push here for Solana. Beautiful push for Bitcoin right now. Let's go, baby. Top blasting. Your job is not to long this right now. That's your job, is to not long this. It is your job. Okay? You are not a top blaster. Look at Solana all the way back down. Oh, shit. Wee. Pump it up. You will give back all your money. What's with this volatility? Holy smoke, Solana. Look at this thing, man. It's moving like TRB. Have you guys heard of TRB? 500 people in here. Great trades today, guys. Good patience. All that fun stuff. Happy days, man. Happy days. Where are we sending the stream today? Big push for Solana. Liquidity grab. Coming back down. My God. Bitcoin dumping. Top blasting. NASDAQ dumping. Yeah, I would not be trading this right now, guys. Looking very, very sketchy. Very sketchy. Stay away. Stay away. Look, Solana's crazy, man. Look at this thing on the third. Let's watch it on the 5 seconds. Jesus Christ. Sorry, God. But this is too much. I would go and start cooking your turkey, guys. I highly suggest you get on that turkey. Make it all beautiful and look at that, man. This is crazy. Look at Solana right now, guys. This is a lot. I would not be yeah.
Tougher goalies to look good. When the group in front of them is not playing.
Guys, if you didn't know, if you feel bad, 8-3 for Connor McDavid last night losing.
I really feel like goaltending is a team thing. Tougher goalies to look good.
Your goalie's Swiss cheese, and you signed another 2 years at 12.5. You're an idiot. Nobody likes. Should have came to Toronto, bro. That's what I'll leave you with. Hockey porn. Guys, don't touch this. This is sporadic shit. Don't be trading this. Stay away. Stay far away. I'm going to send you over to the Piper Academy. Go and like and subscribe to them. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for being part of the family, part of the gang. We'll see you tonight for Asia. Yeah? I'm going to trade some Asia tonight. Subscribe, join the Discord, all that good stuff. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.
when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low.